Yo, what it do, what it ain't. What it is, what it ain't. That's the saying. New day, new opportunities. KeepitrealQuan. Hey, so I filmed a 30-minute plank, right? Y'all can see, the sweat. I just got finished doing it. I did a 30-minute plank. 4 minutes in, the video cut out. I kid you not. I'm telling you, hey, they're not on my side, man. They don't want me to win, man. It's crazy. So I'm gonna do it again live on Friday. But I guess to supplement that, I'm gonna bring y'all a little knowledge video, man. So when people go around and impress people, right? Friends, family, social media, co-workers, bosses, when you impress people, you gotta think about one thing, man. How quick are they gonna replace you or forget you when you die? Think about it. You may know them for 5 years, you may know them for 10 years, 15, 20, 25, 30. But I don't want you to think about, and even not that, even just working in general. You're stressing, gray hair coming. You don't think you're gonna get that promotion. You don't think you're gonna be financially stable to support your kids. You don't think you're gonna do this and that, support your future. How quick are they gonna replace you? Are you stressing for a job that's willing to keep you and give you a raise and help you better and not only stay, but they want to see you. They want to see you leave and create your own stuff. Or are you going to just stay essentially a slave and slave for a company or job that's going to replace you in a second? Think about that. So show up to work. Hey, man, it might not be happy, but just make the best of what it is, because a lot of these jobs, and I'm telling you, hey, replace just like that. Don't stress for a job that's going to replace you in a second. That's all I had to say, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends, and hey, never quit.